Hi, my name's Tony Weber from Cary Audio. I'm the sales manager, and we're here at the Rocky Mountain AudioFest in Denver, the 2012 edition. And Cary Audio has entered into the headphone market with a series of headphone amplifiers that we're introducing, and also a new lower price line of equipment I'd like to tell you a little bit about. The thing we're most proud of is our HH-1. It's a hybrid headphone amplifier. It uses a tube front end and single-ended, like our very expensive tube preamps and so on. It's in amplifiers. It's single-ended technology, but using MOSFETs for the output. It's pure Class A all the way through. It is fully differentially balanced, meaning there's two of everything in reverse phase, so the noise floor is extremely low. It's got quite a bit of output power, and it's very, very stable and capable of handling virtually any headphone you can throw at it. It isn't affected by the crazy impedances of some of the very exotic headphones these days. And having the tubes gives it a very sweet tweeter sound, very lush mid-range, yet it's got very, very deep and very accurate bass. And we're very, very excited about it. Comes with either silver or black. It's all handmade in North Carolina, as all of our products are. And retail on it is $15.95. We've had a couple of reviews and some more coming, and it's extremely well received, and we're very, very pleased with it. We also have a headphone amplifier that's pure solid state under our Audio Electronics brand name. This is also balanced, and it has pretty much the same features, but it's not quite to the build quality of the regular Cary product, and it's $11.95. So it's pure solid state all the way through, but it's also Class A and very, very nice sound. It doesn't have quite the detail of this, and at $11.95, it is an excellent value, and also will handle almost any kind of headphone these days. Audio Electronics is a brand that Cary Audio had a number of years ago. It started as kits, and then Cary built them as fully assembled products for people. And now that the economy's settled down a little bit and music has come back, two channels come back very strongly with headphones and vinyl and all this, we decided to bring the Audio Electronics brand back. And our first two pieces, besides the little Nighthawk headphone amp, are the Constellation Preamplifier and the Hercules power amplifier. They're named after military aircraft. These are also built here in America. They're not Chinese. They're fully built by the same people, designed by the same people that do our big Cary stuff. Constellation Preamp has 3 inputs, so it's very, very simple. A matched pair of tubes. It uses the same type of build quality as we do in the big stuff. It uses WBT binding posts and Kimber cable inside. It's just not the level of sophistication in terms of capacitors and transformers and so on of the big Cary stuff, but it is hand-built in America. It has the Cary house sound, very, very sweet and rich sound. And companion with this is $14.95, so it's very modestly priced for its performance. And we also have the Hercules power amplifier, which is 30 watts a channel, uses EL34 output tubes, although it's quite capable of handling almost anything else as far as tubes in the octal sockets. It is, as the preamp, it uses 0 global feedback, so it's extremely quiet, very good noise floor. It uses a capacitive bias system that allows it to constantly monitor bias, so no matter what the tubes are doing, it keeps the performance the same with all the tubes, and also keeps them operating at their optimum level, which extends the tube life, and again keeps the music sounding the same as the tubes start to degrade over time. One thing Cary does is, in our power transformers in Audio Electronics as well as Cary, is we tremendously overbuild them. So our power transformers are running at about half their rated duty cycle. The tubes run at about 40% of their rated cycle, which means we have very long tube life. Typically, most manufacturers for power output tubes will say 2 to 3 years retube. We're 5 to 7 years, and on our low-level tubes, we're 10 to 12 years as opposed to the usual 5 to 7. So the cost of ownership is typically quite low, and again, you have the made in America, very, very high quality, very, very musical sound, and we're very, very proud of them. We will have additional pieces coming in the Audio Electronics line. The next couple things that will be coming, we have a DAC coming very, very shortly that will do 24-192 over USB, as we do in our big stuff in Cary, and then we will follow that with a phonostage. And that is kind of where Audio Electronics is going right now. We will have a number more products, but that's what's coming over the next few months.